Hello and welcome to the Riddle Book. Are you ready to challenge your brain and expand your knowledge about the fascinating world of riddles? You have 15 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Wish you the best of luck. Let's start. I have a neck, but no head. I have two arms, but no hands. Answer is shirt. What comes down but never goes up? It is rain. What 5-letter word typed in all capital letters can be read the same upside down? It is the word swims. The more you take, the more you leave behind. Answer is footsteps. I am easy to lift, but hard to throw. Answer is feather. Can you throw it? What has a neck but no head? A bottle has a neck but no head. What has many rings but no fingers? Answer is a phone. I sometimes run, but I can't walk. Answer is running nose. Who has married many women but was never married? A priest was never married. What's a thing that you can find in a man's pants but not in a woman's? Answer is pocket. Comment the answer. What can you hold in your right hand, but never in your left hand? And that's it for today's quiz. How did you do? Did you get all the answers right? Or were some of them tricky? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to hear how you did. If you had fun, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe so you won't miss any more quizzes in the future. Thanks for joining in, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep learning and stay awesome.